Got a spruce and tamarack cut here for a private landowner north of Big Fork, Minnesota. Loading some spruce bolts for potlatch today. Got Dean Haley and the controls on the forwarder. It's a really nice day today. Perfect logging weather. I'm actually driving truck today. You won't see that very often, but we're kind of short right now. A couple guys sick and some truck issues, so I thought, why not jump in the truck for a little bit. And for some of you people that are wondering, this is Dean Haley. It was with Haley Logging as a YouTube star, Dave Haley's younger brother. As you can see, very experienced operator. I'm lucky to have him. And then my harvester, the Corey McCullochek out there, it looks like it's noon right now. He must be taking a lunch break. Nice black spruce there for Blandon UPM paper mill. Dean's probably glad it's a little bit cloudy today. Yesterday the sun was right in his eyes.